Hi, Nick Dogle, North State Law, where we safeguard your professional license so you can get back to business. Today I want to talk about what happens if a nurse is attacked by a patient. This has unfortunately been an ongoing problem the last couple of years. There are parameters that have been put in place by the legislature years and years ago that were signed, a bill that was signed into law under Governor McCrory, actually, so it's been a while, and that is a felony for any patients to not only assault a nurse, but any hospital staff on hospital property. So that's great that somebody can face those types of repercussions, but at the end of the day, it really doesn't do any good for the nurse or any medical professional at the period of time that they're being assaulted. So one of the things that I wanted to address in this video is, well, what is the nurse or frankly any other medical professional supposed to do if somebody's attacking them? Patient flips out and throws a punch or pushes or something along those lines. So the medical board and the nursing board obviously take these things extremely seriously. So if a coworker were to file a complaint with one of the boards, there will be investigation into it, and there will be determination whether or not the nurse or the medical professional, say physician, NP, PA, whomever else, has done something that would be an ethics violation. So the first thing that any medical professional would do, and we'll take nurses for example, they would need to contact security, contact their charge nurse, or any other supervisor that might be on their floor. They should not in any way, shape, or form act aggressively to the person. They should double check and make sure before any of this happens, when they come onto the shift, double check anybody's orders when they take the patient on from the previous nurse. If there's an order for restraints in there, then that could be a solution to the issue. There's going to need to be more than one person that helps out in this particular situation. So the main thing to consider is don't strike back. If there is an order for restraints, then that can be something that can be used on the patient. Definitely need to notify charge nurse, supervisors, anybody else on the floor that can potentially assist you. Nobody's expecting anybody to just take a beating, so to speak. So distance yourself from the space, immediately get security, immediately get help from charge nurse. Double check to make sure restraints are still ordered for that particular patient. If that's the case, then that could be an option for you if needed. So anybody got any questions, feel free to check out my website. It's northstatelawfirm.com. I also have a lot of blogs on there and a lot of videos on YouTube. So if you got any questions after reviewing all that, again, my name is Nick Dogue with North State Law, and it's 919-521-8810. Thank you so much for taking care of North Carolina. Bye-bye.